All right, hey guys, this is showing us how the C2 app and the rower are going to talk to each other. So go ahead and open your C2 app on your phone. Right away, you're going to see kind of that home screen there. And what we're trying to do now is create the workout. So the workout that we're going to finish with on our Sunday run is going to be a 1K row. So what you're going to do is go to create, single distance at the top. You're going to go ahead and select that, punch in 1,000 meters. Split distance, just go ahead and put it to 500, but you can kind of put it to whatever you want. It's up to you. So once we have that, we hit ready. Now, if I'm sitting on my rower right in front of me, I'm going to go ahead and click the menu button on the rower. And as long as my Bluetooth is enabled, what's going to happen the minute I hit menu, it's going to turn on the rower, and then it's going to say, ooh, wait, okay, this is my smartphone I'm talking to. I'm going to go ahead and link up right now. So the minute I do that, what's going to happen is both the rower and my phone are going to show this screen now. And essentially, when I start pulling on the rower, it's going to click and it's going to say, all right, the workout has started, and it's going to count down from 1,000. I love a good countdown rather than count up. So as I'm pulling, it's showing my strokes. It's showing my pace. It's showing all that good stuff. So for me, I want to be about 150 when I'm doing the race, somewhere in there. So row, get done with 1,000. Now we're done. What's going to happen is you can either hit menu if you want to end short, or if you hit 1,000, it's going to populate all that data from the rower then into your app. And the nice thing about this is you're going to have the data. You're going to have all that information. If you go to logbook at the very bottom middle, you can see it there. You can see all your workouts. What you want to do is then click at the very top. You click at your most recent workout. So this is where you nerd out. This is where you get data. This is where you find out who you are as an athlete, right? So that when you're running a high rocks race, you know how long a 1K is going to take you. You can ballpark, of course. You can say, it's going to take 3.5 to 5 minutes. That's fine. But it's a great idea to just know what you're capable of, right? So for us, for this lesson we're trying to learn is what your 1K row is going to be. And the other lesson is going to be how to use this app for a daily workout. So if you're ever at a hotel or anywhere that has a C2 bike and you want to work out, essentially this app will give you a daily workout. So if you go back kind of to that recent workout that we did, right? We created that 1,000. But if you click on the WOD, that's a daily workout that they put out. So it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can see it there. When you hit ready and you're in front of a rower, it's going to automatically connect. It's going to have all those numbers, those distances, everything in there. So once you're done with the workout, you can actually go check out the honor board, it's called. Essentially, it's the leaderboard. And it's going to show you all the filters, male, female, country, so on and so on. And the nice thing about this is it's just going to give you a good idea as far as where you rank with other women, other men for the workout that you did. So nice thing about it is you don't necessarily need to be at a CrossFit gym. So long as you have a C2 rower or ski or bike, they put out the workouts that you could do every single day. And you can see where you stack up. It's just a really cool way to test your fitness against other people all throughout the world and just see where you stack up, and then see what you might need to improve on. So check it out. It's definitely going to benefit you.